Not only do IT and OT networks have different security requirements, they also have different priorities for availability. What are these specifics, and why can ignoring them lead to problems? In IT, high performance is more important than availability, but subordinate to security. A key factor in performance is usability, such as the ability to conduct video conferences without interruption. Peaks in the network must be absorbed in order, for example, to accommodate multiple end devices on the network, even if this degrades the performance of individual devices. In OT, on the other hand, availability is everything. Production must run uninterrupted, and in the event of a failure, you must be able to react as quickly as possible. Plant downtime is extremely costly. That's why OT networks must be redundant and allow switchover to the backup within milliseconds. Another critical factor is 24/7 availability of qualified service personnel and appropriate spare parts. The industry standard is 10 years for spare parts and 5 years for warranties. To avoid production downtime, OT network optimizations and changes are usually performed during operations and must be timed precisely. In IT, the update cycles and warranty periods are much shorter, and updates are typically performed within defined maintenance windows, even if network performance is reduced during the update process. High availability through real-time communication in OT is also important for the protection of people and machines when a hazard occurs and requires emergency stop functions. Industrial networking equipment must be rugged and able to withstand extreme temperatures, radiation, dust, and splash water. For harsh applications, certificates are issued for network components in order to ensure smooth operation. In IT, data centers and offices are typically climate-controlled to maintain a constant operating temperature. And most switches and routers are designed to be mounted in a control cabinet. Whereas in OT, compact devices of various designs are also used, even outdoors. There is an increasing demand for wireless networks with a growing number of nodes in both IT and OT. Production networks have adopted common IT standards and added specific requirements such as real-time wireless communications. So there is a lot to know and consider. Above all, industrial-grade components and the appropriate know-how are essential to meet various availability requirements. But how do you know if your network is secure and future-proof? Our network services experts can support you.